Sponsored by.
In a resounding affirmation of his dedication to farmer welfare, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has embarked on his third term in office with a decisive move to support India's agriculture sector by approving the release of the 17th installment of the Prime Minister Kisan Nidhi scheme. The decision is poised to bolster the livelihood of a monumental 9.3 crore farmers across the country. With an estimated disbursement of Rs 20,000 crores, this landmark decision promises substantial agriculture support. After this significant decision, Prime Minister Modi addressed the country and reiterated his government's steadfast commitment to Kisan Kalyan, or the well-being of farmers. As the first act of his third term, Prime Minister Modi prioritized farmer welfare, demonstrating his unwavering commitment to uplift those who labor ceaselessly to feed the country. Millions of people who depend on agriculture for their lives find great resonance in this unshakable vow, which is more than just words. It is a concrete display of action. With the focus on diversity and inclusivity, the Modi 3.0 cabinet is in line with the rich, diverse Indian society and culture. With members from 24 states, the cabinet represents a wide range of communities, guaranteeing a comprehensive approach to governing. The composition is noteworthy for including 27 OBCs, 10 SCs, 5 STs, and 5 members of minority communities, a group that has long been marginalized, and for elevating their perspectives. In addition to promoting equitable development, such comprehensive representation fortifies the country's democratic spirit. A vision for progress and prosperity that goes beyond symbolic gestures is shown in the Prime Minister's unwavering focus on farmer welfare. The government establishes the foundation for long-term success by investing in agriculture and rural development, which strengthens the economy from the bottom up. Empowered farmers lead to a robust agriculture sector that boosts productivity, creates jobs, and enhances socio-economic circumstances across the country.